Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com tutorials. As you can see, first it's important to place the sticker in the right place. Once that is done, you slightly will pass the finger left to right, and then you keep pressing, in this case going up until you reach the limit of the sticker. It is very much a simple procedure. Where is the logo GS, you go through pressing with the fingers in, and later with a bit of heat it will do the rest. When you want to press the finger, as seen here, don't go on the edge where the paper is folding up, because you could make marks as it is transparent. Apart from this, it's quite a simple procedure.
Perfecto.
At the time of applying heat, we should not put the heater very close to the sticker, especially if the heater is in the high power. After, we will follow with the finger and we will press where we verify that is needed. At the time of pressing down the center tank sticker, we are going to go first going slowly, and we will start from the top of the tank. Once we have placed the sticker correctly and verified that is in the right place, we are going to start pressing harder with the finger as seen. Always little by little. Don't go fast in order to avoid bubbles. In case that you see that shows small bubbles, do not worry, because they will go away. Then with the rest of the sticker as seen here, you go until it's completely in the area of the tank, top tank, and you keep pressing down. The grooves will help to locate the sticker without any wrinkles. We are going to do it slowly, with patience, and always locating the sticker in the position that needs to be done, in the direction needed. Fingers and patience is all you need. As well, it's very important to consider that materials, when are cold, are more difficult to apply. Sometimes, if the temperature outside is quite low, you could heat up the material of the bike, basically the plastics, with a heater of a hairdryer, which that will help at the time of putting the sticker. It will make the procedure far more simpler and easier. As well, these stickers, they serve as a protection, especially in this area. If one day you want to sell your bike or change the sticker, you can remove it easily without no problem, and the paint will be perfect, which at the time of selling your bike will be always a plus. In BMWworldstickers.com, we as well like to make sense of what we do. From the point of the rider, you will always face north, having in the right side the east side of the world, as right now we can see on this sticker that shows the Middle East, like on the side tank, China, and so on. Basically, from the point of the rider, facing north, on the left is going to be the west of the world, with South America, Central America, and towards the front, Canada and Alaska, and pointing towards the beak of the bike, where is going to be North Cap, the most northern point of Europe. Like in Alaska, we as well write on our stickers Prudhoe Bay. And on the right side, we will have as well Siberia, the coldest place of Russia. So that is the design of the sticker, and always in the right scale according to the size of the country. In BMWworldstickers.com website are all the tutorials that you need to understand the method of application. And as well, we offer other bikes like the GS 1200 LC Adventure or the 1316 year of manufacturing, which is the basic LC. We have as well the LC 17 and the GS 1200 Adventure 2008 to 2012. And finally, the last entries are the F800 and F800 Adventure from the year 2013 to now. Tutorials, videos, methods of application, pictures, and good wishes to every single rider for the dream to come true. And for those that we cannot do it, or they cannot do it, is no less than just a push forward in what we could do one day. And finally, the north of Europe, and of course, North Cap, farthest northern point of Europe. Just want to thank every single follower in their dreams to travel. And that is the reason of this design. Thank you very much. BMW World Stickers.com